United States has long sought a new light attack scout helicopter, one agile and modern enough to replace the retired Bell OH-58D Kiowa Warriors. For decades, the Kiowa quietly guided the Army through reconnaissance, armed support, and battlefield intelligence missions. Though small, its impact was immense. Bell, a pillar of American rotorcraft innovation, responded with a design seemingly built for the modern battlefield. This was the Bell 360 Invictus, a helicopter capable of redefining light attack operations. The 360 Invictus was developed under the U.S. Army's Future Vertical Lift portfolio, a bold plan to modernize rotorcraft across all mission types. Central to this effort was the Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft program, intended to replace the aging OH-58D. Bell, having delivered Kiowas since the late 1960s, sought to continue this legacy. Their vision was confirmed in 2019 with a partnership with Collins Aerospace, combining advanced technology with battlefield practicality. From its first reveal, the Invictus reminded observers of past stealth helicopter ambitions, particularly the RAH-66 Comanche. Both featured sleek, blended fuselages, retractable landing gear, and tandem cockpits. Yet, unlike the Comanche, the Invictus emphasized versatility over pure stealth, integrating advanced sensors, modular weapon systems, and digital flight controls to ensure operational effectiveness. The design prioritizes speed, agility, and adaptability. Borrowing from Bell's 525 Relentless civil helicopter, the 360 integrates a digitally controlled fly-by-wire system, providing pilots precise control even during extreme maneuvers. Its fuselage is smooth, with integrated engine intakes and chine lines to reduce radar and infrared signatures without compromising performance. It is designed to cruise above 180 knots, with a rotor system capable of 200 knots, roughly 230 miles per hour, a remarkable speed for a light scout helicopter. Lift-sharing wings provide nearly half of the aircraft's lift at moderate to high speeds. This reduces the main rotor's workload, allowing it to focus on agility. The design achieves high-speed performance while relying on a single-rotor, single-engine configuration, avoiding the complexity of dual-rotor, dual-engine systems. Operational reliability is enhanced by a triplex redundancy system, reducing crew workload and increasing safety. Power comes from GE Aviation's T901-900 turboshaft engine, assisted by a Pratt & Whitney PW207D1 supplemental power unit. This dual system provides auxiliary power for ground operations and boosts cruise, dash speed, and hover performance in flight. Weapons integration is modular and forward-thinking. The helicopter features a forward-facing 20mm rotary cannon, 2 internal weapons bays, and optional external hardpoints on the wings. A modular effects launcher allows integration of both current and future munitions. The Invictus can carry up to 1,400 pounds of ordnance, offering significant firepower for its size. Crew efficiency was central to the design. The tandem cockpit positions the weapons operator in the front with an unobstructed view, while the pilot commands from the rear. Each position has its own port-side door, improving safety and readiness. High-speed rotor design mitigates retreating blade stall, ensuring stability from hover to high-speed flight, essential for reconnaissance and attack missions. The Invictus first entered a competitive prototype phase with 5 aircraft designs vying for the Army's requirements. By March 2020, only 2 remained, the Invictus and Sikorsky's Raider X. Both were slated for prototype development for a fly-off competition. Bell unveiled images of the first prototype in 2021, with a maiden flight projected by the end of 2022. Despite its potential, the Invictus faced a sudden challenge. In 2024, the Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft program was cancelled, closing the path to operational service. Yet, the technology developed, lift-sharing wings, fly-by-wire systems, and modular weapons integration remains valuable. These innovations could appear in future rotorcraft or modified versions of the Invictus. The Bell 360 Invictus embodies a balance of speed, firepower, agility, and cost efficiency. It combines lessons from the Comanche program with modern avionics, propulsion, and weapon systems. Its potential to transform battlefield reconnaissance and rapid response operations demonstrates forward-thinking design at its finest. More broadly, the Invictus reflects the evolving nature of military aviation. Programs rise and fall, but innovation leaves a lasting mark. This helicopter shows how foresight can anticipate operational needs before the battlefield demands it. Its blend of simplicity and sophistication offers lessons for future aircraft. Modularity, lift efficiency, speed, and adaptability can be as important as stealth. Even without operational deployment, the Invictus symbolizes innovation. Its engineering and adaptability will inform future rotorcraft, ensuring these technologies advance military aviation. It reminds us that the cutting edge is not just about today, but about anticipating tomorrow. The Invictus's story is one of vision rather than failure. Progress often requires patience, and sometimes innovation arrives before the world is ready. The skies may not yet witness its capabilities, but its legacy is embedded in the designs that will guide future rotorcraft. Anticipation replaces disappointment. The Invictus may yet soar, in spirit or in steel, showing what is possible when ambition meets engineering excellence. Its lessons extend beyond combat, reminding designers and strategists that foresight and adaptability are critical. The Bell 360 Invictus exists as a symbol of rotorcraft potential. Its sleek design, speed, and modularity hint at a future where helicopters are faster, more versatile, and capable of facing unpredictable challenges. Even if it never enters service, the Invictus has already influenced aviation design. Lessons from its development will shape the next generation of light attack helicopters, ensuring Bell's vision continues to guide military aviation. The Invictus reminds us that engineering excellence and foresight often precede opportunity. A technically perfect aircraft may face external obstacles, yet its innovations endure and inspire future platforms. Ultimately, the Bell 360 Invictus is more than a helicopter. It is a testament to ambition, ingenuity, and the pursuit of excellence. Its lessons will guide rotorcraft design for years to come. The 360 Invictus may not yet fly into combat, but its spirit soars. It represents what is possible when technology and vision converge, waiting for the day the skies finally witness its capabilities.